Hello, home designers. Welcome back to the Coohom Interior Design Masterclass, Basic Level. This is video 14, and in today's tutorial, we'll learn how to search for floor plans in Coohom. So, let's get started. First, open a new project. You'll see several options, which we've already discussed earlier. This time, click on Search Floor Plan. When you click, a new window will pop up. Here, you'll find a search bar where you can type any keyword related to the kind of floor plan you're looking for, whether it's residential or commercial. For example, I'll type bedroom design. You can also search room by room, depending on your project needs. Once you search, Coohom will display a variety of floor plan options. Scroll down to browse through them. If there are multiple pages, you can navigate by clicking on the page numbers 2, 3, 4, and so on. When you find a floor plan you like, simply click on it and then press Create. Coohom will take a few moments to load, and then your selected floor plan will be ready. As you can see, Coohom will automatically generate the walls, doors, and windows for the floor plan, saving you time and effort. And that's how you can easily search for different types of floor plans in Coohom. If you found this tutorial helpful, like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with all upcoming lessons in this masterclass. And remember, you can get 73% off on all Coohom Pro subscriptions using my exclusive promo code HOMEDESIGNER. And also you can get 10% off on all Coohom Elite Plan subscriptions using my exclusive promo code HD Elite. Just click the link in the description to grab the deal. I'll see you in the next video. Happy designing!